2009 to 2019, 10 years of event production, media marketing, and management within the Haitian gospel sector. Effectively, you are cordially invited as special guests of honor to come help New Generation Gospel Entertainment NGG celebrate their 10th anniversary during the Thanksgiving after party. That's November 29, 2019, 8 p.m. till midnight. This is the party after the turkey. It's going to be extraordinarily extravagant, beautifully hosted by actress, producer, talk show host Sandra Justice. General admission $25 include a full entry of choice. VIP $50 includes appetizers, wine, followed by full entry of choice. And that's not all. NGG will be showcasing newly signed artists Josie Bell, Rose Law, and the one and only psalmist Wayne Modelus. And the party continues all night till morning with DJ Ricky Rewind and Haitian Gospel Talk International Live Band Révélation Musique. That's the Thanksgiving NGG after party, November 29th at Douce Restaurant and Lounge, 2640 South State Road 7, Miramar, Florida 33023. Collaborators and sponsors: NGG TV, Sunny Sound, Madame Gugu's Douce Lounge, BB Connection, Primary Care Medical Center, Samuel Flowers, DNI Production, Photo by Gazen, Mark Media Services, Realtor Emmanuel Cine, Latino Medical Center, MCE Magazine, EMG, Kiskeya Global, True Bleu Apparel, Expert Tax Services, Class Insurance, Shelfie's Funeral Services, and more. For tickets and information, call NGG 954-999-6518. Be there.